This is a 1-minute muscle palpation for the rectus femoris of the quadriceps femoris group. We'll begin proximally toward its hip attachment, and what I'm going to ask you to do is for us to find the TFL, turn your thigh inward and lift up into flexion a little bit. Go ahead. And there is the TFL right here, and I'll just drop medial to it right here. That will be rectus femoris. Or turn outward laterally and lift up into the air a bit, and there is her sartorius right there, and I drop laterally, relax, and I'm on rectus femoris. So it's in this triangle area here. So I'm going to palpate here, and now I want you to extend the leg at the knee joint, so straighten your knee, and there's rectus femoris popping. Relax, and you can see my fingers sink in, and go ahead and do it again, and my fingers get pushed out. Relax, and then from there I'm just going to go down distally. So contract, and I can strum perpendicularly across the full expanse of the muscle from lateral to medial. Relax. Again. Lateral to medial, perpendicularly across the muscle, running distally here, and relax. And one more time. And along here, along here, along here, until it goes through the patella to the infrapatellar ligament between the patella and the tibial tuberosity right here. Relax. And that is our 1-minute muscle palpation for the rectus femoris of the quadriceps femoris group.